But sir, you know how much I love my work.
So did she. But she never drowned herself in it. She had a social life. How the hell do you think you came about?
But I have a social life too, sir.
I don't mean a social media life, Roxy. A social life, you know? Shopping, movies, popcorn, get yourself new outfits, get yourself a boyfriend. Think of stuff like that, you know?
Oh, like that.
Paulette is watching over you, and I'm absolutely certain she's not in agreement with this lifestyle of yours. Go out, have some fun, man. Get involved.
I promise I will, sir.
Good girl. Now listen, this is one order I'm very serious about. Call it a regimental order. You will. Okay?
Well, thanks a lot, sir. The truth is, I really don't know how I would do without you.
Probably a lot better than you're doing now. At least you wouldn't be sitting beside a computer and a phone waiting to hear me call.
Impossible.
Okay, Roxy. Take care.
Okay, sir. Wait, 1 second, sir.
Yeah? What is it?
I've been monitoring movements going on at Tony's funeral homes, and I realized an unusual large shipment of coffins that came in a few days ago.
Interesting. That sounds like something we need to look into. But today, go out and have some fun. And remember, that's an order.
Yes, sir.
I know people dying every day. But not so. How does man know that I don't know?
I miss you so much, Mom. But as Uncle Mulling say, I need some fun time.
Yeah, Justin. No, Daddy's not working today. No. You can't go outside, please. Riding around the gym upstairs. There's more than enough space. So what? Didn't you ask your mother if she could bring ice cream? Okay, well, that's all the ice cream you're going to get, son. Alright, I tell you what. I'll see you later. Yeah. Don't go outside. Alright. The joys of fatherhood.
Sanika, you can do something for me, please?
Don't